RV wireless security cameras enhance safety, eliminate blind spots, prevent accidents, and ensure secure, stress-free travel and parking. My today's video is about top 5 best RV wireless security cameras that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Autobox Wireless RV Backup Camera. This RV backup camera system delivers exceptional safety and convenience for large vehicles, especially campers, trailers, and fifth wheels. The rear and side view coverage significantly reduces blind spots, making tight campsite parking and highway lane changes far less stressful. The 7.2-inch HD monitor with triple split display is a standout feature, allowing simultaneous viewing of rear and both sides, while still offering flexible single or dual modes. The 1080p resolution combined with IR night vision ensures clear visuals even in complete darkness, enhancing safety during nighttime reversing. Wireless connectivity remains impressively stable up to 500 feet, ideal for long RV setups. Installation is simplified with compatibility for pre-wired systems, and the IP69 waterproof rating guarantees durability in harsh weather conditions. Additional features like DVR loop recording and dual power options add practicality for long trips. Overall, this system is a reliable, all-weather safety upgrade for any RV owner. It provides peace of mind on long journeys and improves overall driving confidence significantly, making RV travel safer and more enjoyable overall experience. Now our second product is WooCardi Camera Wireless RV Backup System. This 7-inch 1080p wireless backup camera system is a well-designed upgrade for RVs, trucks, and trailers needing safer and clearer reversing assistance. The 2.5D curved touchscreen is responsive and sharp, offering multiple display modes including quad split viewing to eliminate blind spots completely. Installation is very simple, especially for Fur-Ion pre-wired setups, requiring no extra drilling and supporting quick DIY mounting. With stable 2.4 GHz dual antenna transmission, it delivers reliable video up to 330 feet in open areas and strong performance on long vehicles. Night driving is safer with IR LEDs and IP69K waterproof protection, ensuring clear visibility in rain, dust, and darkness. Additional features like loop recording with 128GB support, adjustable guidelines, and image flip options enhance usability. It also includes flexible power options via USB or 12V charger, making it suitable for various vehicle setups. Overall, it is a dependable, feature-rich wireless camera system that greatly improves parking confidence and road safety. Note: GM vehicles may require a PWM filter for stable performance. Our third product is Xerox Club Magnetic Solar Wireless Backup Camera. This wireless backup camera system is a highly practical solution for vehicles like RVs, trucks, trailers, and boats, offering both convenience and strong safety features. The standout feature is its magnetic mounting design with 4 cameras, allowing flexible placement on metal surfaces without drilling or complicated installation. The included 9-inch HD 1080p monitor provides sharp and detailed visuals, with quad-split screen support for monitoring multiple angles at once, greatly improving awareness and reducing blind spots. Its 9,600 mAh rechargeable battery combined with solar-assisted charging makes it truly wireless and low maintenance, ideal for long trips and outdoor use. The automatic power on-off function adds extra convenience while preventing battery drain. With stable signal transmission up to 300 feet and real-time display even at highway speeds, performance remains reliable and smooth. Additional features like DVR loop recording, dual power charging options, and low power consumption design make it even more user-friendly. Overall, this is a powerful, easy-to-use backup camera system that enhances driving safety, parking confidence, and visibility in all conditions. Now number 4, Venluna Dual Wireless Magnetic Backup Camera. This wireless backup camera system is a powerful and convenient solution for trucks, RVs, trailers, and other large vehicles that need full visibility and safer driving support. The 1-minute magnetic installation is a major advantage, allowing tool-free setup on any metal surface while keeping the vehicle scratch-free. The 7-inch 1080p HD monitor delivers a clear and wide viewing experience, and support for up to 4 channels makes it ideal for full vehicle coverage. The system's 15,000 mAh battery with solar assistance ensures long-lasting performance, especially during extended trips, while the 2.4G wireless dual antenna technology provides a strong and stable signal up to 500 feet. The 170 degrees ultra-wide adjustable lens combined with advanced IR night vision guarantees excellent visibility in both day and night conditions. Additional features like DVR loop recording, auto-sleep energy saving, IP69 waterproof protection, and on-screen playback make it highly practical. Overall, it is a reliable, feature-rich, and easy-to-use backup camera system that greatly enhances driving safety, convenience, and confidence in all weather and road conditions. And our last choice is Pemacam RV Backup Camera. This solar-powered wireless backup camera is a highly practical and reliable solution for RV, truck, trailer, and other large vehicle owners who need safer and easier parking assistance. The install-free magnetic base with strong samarium cobalt magnets allows quick setup and easy relocation between vehicles without drilling or wiring, making it extremely convenient for travelers. The 9-inch display delivers clear image quality with enhanced CCD sensor technology, providing strong low-light performance and sharp visuals day and night. With 9 infrared night vision lights and optical lens coating, visibility remains stable even in dark or harsh conditions. Its 15,000 mAh battery combined with a 5W solar panel ensures long runtime, while Type-C and solar charging options add flexibility. The IP69 waterproof nanocoating and rubber-protected base make it durable against rain, dust, and rough roads. Additional features like loop recording, adjustable parking lines, front/rear switching, and stable anti-interference signal transmission further improve usability. Overall, it is a durable, eco-friendly, and feature-rich backup camera system that significantly enhances driving safety and parking confidence for all large vehicle users. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.